there we go. So are we keeping the rest of them out? Is that how it works?
Yeah. They'll find their way home.
Okay.
I just didn't want to get rough with them.
They're already going in the holes.
They are?
Yeah.
These little brushes are cracking me up. Brush away the beans.
Oh, can you hear that? Can you just hear how it sounds?
It's pretty dope.
Like
I think it's an airplane.
bees in the air.
She's so patient. Those other people would be like, screw you, bee.
Should we start naming them yet?
One and the two and the three.
Wanda,
A bee named
Rosetta, Lily.
Wanda, Rhonda, and Shonda. Oh, yes.
Hey.
Jim, James, and Jimmy.
Let's just name them all Larry. It's all
Larry 1 through 200.
Remember Bob Newhart's movie? Did you ever watch that? It was like, this is my cousin Larry. This is my other cousin Larry. I think it was Larry. It just made me laugh so hard. They all have the same name.
Does anybody want to do a bee brush? No?
I think we're good.
I don't know. I'm okay with it.
Am I going to show
Shoot.
anybody over there?
Just that one dude.
Just that one guy.
Just that one being a Franklin.
Really? That's totally Franklin right there.
Franklin.
There you go. There you go. Oh,
Oh, no, no. Oh, yeah, there you go. There you go.
Sometimes you just gotta smush one big.
Right?
You got a lot of them, and they're only gonna.
we didn't even look on the other side.
Nope.
Natural selection.
You didn't move. You got smushed.
How
Sorry.
did I get in from out here?
The holes.
That's it.
It-
Oh, what holes?
Is this?
little holes.
Yay!
Yeah.
Applause, but I can't. I got
See,
Steadicam.
they're climbing in and out of the holes.
Oh, I didn't even see those.
Is this how swarmy it's always going to be?